How's it going, everybody? My name is Matthew Meir. Today we're going to be talking about how you can rank your real estate website on Google. Before we get into it, I'd like you to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be coming up with a lot of great real estate content in the digital age and how you can grow and scale your business in 2020 and beyond using content marketing and digital methods. So there's a lot of confusion about Google and how you can rank your website number 1 or top 10 or just rank for anything to show up on the search pages. But to be honest, it's not as difficult as you might think. It's more so it just takes a lot of time. Just like most things in life, ranking on Google is just a matter of consistent quality effort that moves into sort of a compound effect. So you don't get a lot of results and then all of a sudden it just explodes. And when you're trying to rank your real estate website on Google, you have to understand that it takes a lot of time. But besides that, if you do plan on going for the long route and ranking your website on Google so that you can get consistent 24/7 lead generation and traffic to your website and build your business off of content, I'm going to teach you how to do that today. The best and easiest way to rank your website on Google is through the creation of blog articles for a blog that you have on your website. This is by far the easiest possible method. Most people can do it. If you know how to type on a computer, then you should probably be able to write a blog article. And it's actually really easy to write blog articles. Most of the time you can literally just talk as if you were talking to a person in front of you. That's actually the tone that Google likes and will rank higher than other articles. The first step that you need to take is to start doing keyword research. Keyword research is going to help you define your content strategy. Use tools like Ubersuggest by Neil Patel, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner to start getting an idea of the type of keywords that you can search for. I recommend just going on, let's say, Google Keyword Planner and typing in the words real estate to see what comes up. Take a look at the search volume over time, the time of year that's most searched for, and then the different variations of keywords that are popular with the subject real estate. This is when you want to start thinking about a niche topic. So the only way you can really rank on Google is if you become specialized in a particular subject. When I say this, I mean instead of real estate as a whole, think about luxury real estate or real estate investing. You want to niche down your topic so much that the odds of another person focusing on it are lower. Therefore, you have less competition. You want to start very small. Let's say you want to choose the niche of luxury real estate. Type in luxury real estate on your keyword search planner and see what people are asking about luxury real estate. Are they typing in luxury real estate near me? How do you sell luxury homes? How much are luxury homes? Etc., etc. Start to write these things down, put it in a web diagram so you can easily put your subject topics together and what people are asking. And then now you want to start doing demographic research. You want to start to define your audience. So if you are in the luxury real estate space, then your audience is highly affluent people who have built successful companies before, people who live in nice neighborhoods, people who work in the finance sector, business, technology, etc. Start to make buyer personas about these people so that when you write, you're writing for Sally, who's in the finance industry and is a huge stock trader. This will help you understand what she cares about, and therefore you can write to pertain to what she wants to know about. So at this point, you've done your keyword research, you've picked a niche, you've dug deep into that niche, and now you've built your buyer persona and you're ready to start writing your content. What I recommend is that you write 1,000-word articles. The reason why I recommend this is because it's going to help you rank faster, and it's also going to beat your competitors out who are usually writing 500 words or less. There's a lot of talk that the best article on Google is the one that's at least 500 words. What people think is that they can just get away with 500-word articles. Let me tell you something. Google's job is to answer people's questions. Therefore, if you write a 500-word article about a really big topic like expired listings in real estate, then you're going to have an issue because there's a lot that goes into expired listings and why they expire. And if you have a 500-word article, then odds are you're simply just listing different reasons why a listing may expire, but not answering the question by explaining it in depth. If you write a 1,000-word article, the odds are that you've explained to a certain degree of why a listing expires. You've answered the question, and you're leaving your audience not looking for more. That's why I recommend writing 1,000-word articles. Yes, is it harder? Yeah, you're doing double what the average amount is, but that means you're also doubling up on your competitors, which is the whole point of this process. Now you might be thinking, how do I know what questions to answer, and how do I know what content to make? Well, this is actually really easy. You can go to Ubersuggest, go to the content ideas section, type in a competitor's URL address, and look at all of their most popular pages. You'll see most of the time these pages are going to be content, especially if they have a blog, and you're going to see what are the most popular pages in terms of traffic, in terms of social shares, and you're going to know what do people want to know about. Now, when you have this content and you're reviewing it, you're researching it, I want you to write an article that covers the same topic, but completely outdoes your competitor. So let's say the #1 piece of content on your competitor's page is about expired listings. But instead of just simply talking about the problems with the marketing or the problems with the pricing of the home and why it expired, talk about what the person could do to fix the issue, or talk about something else that you've seen before. Offer your expertise. While yes, your competitor does answer the question of why listings expire, your article answers it better and goes farther in depth, which means Google is going to realize this, which in effect eventually can rank you higher. So get all of your competitors, get all of their content ideas, and just write about that. This will put you on equal footing with your competitors, and also you don't have to rack your brains for ideas and throw stuff at the wall. Now, I do recommend publishing an article at least 2 to 4 times a week. The faster you get up articles and the more consistent you are with posting and scheduling your articles, the faster you're going to rank for different keywords on Google. Writing 1 article per week or 1 bi-weekly or monthly is not going to rank you anytime soon. You have to put up at least 3 to 4 a week to rank quickly within 2 months, but at a minimum 2 to rank anytime soon. The good thing about real estate is that most agents are not doing blog articles and they're not doing digital media and content marketing, which means that you have a great opportunity in your local market to rank on Google. But that doesn't mean it doesn't take time. Once you have a website, you have your blog articles, and you're starting to rank, I want you to sign up for a Google My Business listing. This is really important for you because real estate is still a local business. And Google had an algorithm update in November of 2019 that made it easier for local businesses to rank on Google in their area. So when you get a Google My Business listing, you're telling Google where you are located, which means they're going to rank your website higher in that area because they know you're an authoritative figure in that area in terms of real estate. Like I said, they want to answer your questions and they want to connect people to the best possible service. So get your Google My Business listing, and the biggest thing to think about here is you want to make sure that your NAP is consistent across all channels. Your NAP is your name, address, and phone number. As long as your name, address, and phone number is consistent on your website and Google My Business, you should be absolutely fine. Don't start messing with your social medias and changing numbers and names, obviously, but just make sure you're consistent on your website and your Google My Business listing. Now, once you've done all this, it should be a matter of time before you start ranking for certain keywords on Google. It took me about 15 to 20 articles before I started ranking for any keywords on Google, and this was about 1.5 to 2 months of work. So it does take a lot of time, and you're not going to see many results for a really long time. But I promise you, if you keep doing it, and that's the biggest step of this whole thing, is just to keep doing it, you will see results. You will see a lot of opportunities come your way, and just keep building on it, and you will reap the benefits of a compound effect in content marketing. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the section below, and I will see you in the next one.